Hello to everyone. Okay, so I fried a little turkey burger, some onions, and some maple sausage. Okay, so now I went through my house and I had some carrots and I had some potatoes, so I don't need big portions in this because I'm purposely using up little bits of food. I have some brown rice. This could be anything, but I chose the rice because I had this in my half-eaten packages for a while. I had some macaroni, so let's see, I'll get a little packet, a little handful of macaroni. So, you know, when you go through your house, whatever you have, just, and in my freezer, I had these sun-dried tomatoes. Those would be good. This is a good way to use these up. I have a lot, actually, so I just want to put a few. I'll save this for another day because in my refrigerator, I almost forgot too, this reminded me. I bought these peppers at Dollar Tree. Those will be good. I'm saving this for my seeds. Okay, let's see. Oh, I have some, I've had these in the freezer for a long time. So I want to use these, I want to use a few of these up. So this could be any kind of food you have in your house. And then I have a couple of these will be good. It could be any kind you have. So you can see my soup pot is making, just using the fragments of food I have, is making a nice big pot of soup. One of the followers told me what she used to do, or what she does, is she creates one of these when she has a little bit of vegetables left. She throws that in a little container in the freezer when she has a few, anything, whatever she has. So she creates these out of her food that's left over, which is a good strategy. If you have been following me, you know about my freezer, how I'm like a dog who buries everything in the backyard. But, oh,